Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to remove your profile picture on Facebook Lite in 2025. Whether you're refreshing your online presence or fixing a profile mishap, this quick tutorial will get you sorted in just a few steps. Let's jump right in. First off, ensure you have the Facebook Lite app installed on your smartphone or device. It's a lightweight version perfect for lower-end phones, but the process is simple and user-friendly. Open the app and log in to your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to get started. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon or your name at the top of the page. Tap on it to access your profile. This will take you to your personal page, where all your info is displayed. Now, spot your current profile picture. It's usually front and center at the top. Give it a tap to open the Photo Options menu. You'll see choices like View Photo or Edit. Go ahead and select Edit or the equivalent option that lets you manage your picture. In the Edit menu, scroll through until you find the Remove or Delete Photo button. It might say something similar, depending on the app's latest update. Tap on that, and Facebook Lite will prompt you for confirmation to avoid any accidental changes. Just hit Confirm or Yes to proceed. And voila, your profile picture is now removed. You'll probably see a default avatar or a blank space until you upload a new one. Remember, this change is immediate and reflects across the platform, so double-check if everything looks good. That's all for this quick guide. Removing your profile picture on Facebook Lite is easier than you think, and it only takes a minute. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.